Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can quickly add songs to a playlist on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you can find all of the sections. There is the home section, search, and here you can expand your library and you can access all of your playlists. So right now I'm gonna go back to the home section. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your suggested playlists. As you can see guys, here you're gonna find Made For You. Here you're gonna find also your liked songs and some recently played playlists. And here in the top, you're gonna find the option to upgrade to premium. Here you're gonna find your notifications, your friend activity, and if you click right here, you can access your account, profile, you can upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to your settings, or log out from your account. So right now, we're gonna search for a song. For example, I'm gonna go to the search bar and I'm gonna just click on browse all. Then I'm gonna click, for example, on this one. And as you can see guys, in this playlist, here you're gonna find a list that includes all of the songs. So for example, I'm gonna hover my mouse over here. And right here, as you can see guys, if you click on this plus icon, you can add the song to your liked songs. If you click on these three dots right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to add the song to a playlist. So if you click on add to playlist, here you can add it to a playlist you have. Or if you want to create a new playlist, just click on new playlist right here. Then you're going to be able to create a playlist and add this song to this new playlist. Here you can remove it from your liked songs. Here you can add the song to the queue. Here you can go to the song radio. You can go to artists. You can go to album, view credits, and lastly, you can share the song. You can copy the song link if you want, or you can embed the track. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.